Oh my god, it's again missing a layer. Why?
Oops.
Why is this so hard?
Ah, that's disgusting. The bone sticks out too.
Ah, I see that.
Disgusting. Get it away from me. Right, isn't
Not
it
even
illegal?
ice packs or something.
Isn't it illegal to ship out body parts?
It is, and not even keep it cool. Nice.
Here we go again. I need to keep an
That
eye
was
out on the cat.
disgusting.
The cat has now 927 health now.
Why is your cat losing health?
Guess you need to keep it happiness.
Mm.
And it can die.
Oh damn, okay.
I usually turn it off because I'm stage 20. But I want to challenge Rizalov.
No. No,
Yummy.
you're selling hats.
Yummy.
Why though?
I don't know. It doesn't say why they are selling these things and who is killing them. Maybe the cat? Maybe the cat is killing people? I don't know. And why this facility has monsters overall?
I'm about to cry, it's missing layers again.
And more.
Like a idea on a bag of bodies.
I want a bag of cookies.
No, that's not cookies.
To
That's
ease
a
the
bag
pain.
This is not a bag of cookies. This is a bag of bones and bodies.
No, thank you.
Let me put it in here because that's just disturbing to see. No, that is the wrong button. I click Windows. I wanted to crouch, but that's my control button. Oh yeah, Kawaii, do you want a body? Oh, fucking hell! I didn't let that happen!